Hey, Turbolax! It helped me, it's gonna help you. Hello, I'm Carlos and I'm from Latvia who's working in Denmark as a tattooer right now. My future is a big mystery. I'm tattooing around 6 years, roughly. I think it's less, but let's keep it between you and me. My style is based on traditional, but I like a little bit freaky stuff, so I put it in, so it looks a little bit disgusting. It can be Japanese or American. I pretty much like tattoos with strong outlines, and the image have to be cool. That's all I ask for. I can also do graphical tattoos like mandalas. Yeah, that's it pretty much. The tattoos I'm stay away from are realistic tattoos, portraits, full color realism photoshiolle. I'm just not educated enough in doing them, so I'm staying away from them. How did I get into tattoos? How I got into tattoos? Because of aggressive music that I was listening to. And my idols had all the tattoos all over the body, and I was like, wow man, he looks awesome. I started tattooing just because I was living together with 4 more crazy people who like aggressive music and they also wanted to look cool. And that's how I just put money together with another friend of mine, and we found the tattoo kit on the internet, and when we got it, we just tattooed each other like crazy. That's how I started first tattoos. But then I quit for some time, and after a few years, one friend saw some of my old works that I did in that crazy house. And he said it's not that bad for a beginner. I was like, holy shit. Beep. I started from home tattooing, watching TV shows at that time, learning from them. Couldn't learn anything, just drama. Bought really cheap kit, super bad colors, but I didn't know anything about that at that time. I thought it's how it should be. So that was the first step into tattooing. After some time of doing bad tattoos at home, I got a chance to become apprenticed in a tattoo shop from Denmark, and from there I started to learn for real what's what. The stuff I love about my job is that I can create something that I've been seeing in my dreams. I would like to see myself in the future as a president for some of the planets that we have in our galaxy, and doing part-time tattooing. My favorite customers are Danish people who are Vikings. They all are. No. My favorite customers are people with Nike shoes. My favorite customers are people who are ready to get something funky. My suggestion to the people who consider to get their first tattoo on their body is chill the fuck out, man. It's gonna be covered anyway. From experience, I covered my first tattoo. Oh! My suggestion to the people who considering to get their first tattoo is choose the right size, because bigger it's gonna go, harder to cover. The suggestion to the new artists who want to become tattooers is simply, don't give up, man, and good luck.